Today, we're making creme brulee. No torch is required. This is a fantastic dessert that you need to know how to make at home. Whether it's for yourself or someone special, this is one of the best treats to make. The vanilla custard is rich and the crunchy caramelized sugar on top is iconic. Each bite will require a second. This is by far one of the best must-have recipes in your back pocket and will surely impress. Everything can be found at the grocery store. No special tools are required for this either, so let's get cooking. We'll measure out 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or 1 vanilla bean if you have it, and bring to a medium-low heat. Whisk together. Then we'll prep 6 egg yolks, add 1/3 cup of sugar to the cream, and whisk until dissolved. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool to slightly above room temperature. We'll also whisk the egg yolks as well. Then gradually add the cream mixture to the egg yolks while whisking. We don't want the cream to be too hot as we're not trying to scramble our eggs. Gradually add and whisk until mixed together. In a baking sheet or casserole dish, we'll add water such that our custard dishes are about halfway submerged in the water. Then carefully add our custard mixture to each dish until each one is full. In an oven set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll add our custard baking sheet and allow to cook for roughly 30-ish minutes, or until the center of our custard dishes reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we hit temperature, we can remove the sheet and allow to cool on a rack. Then remove the custard dishes, drain the water from the baking sheet, add the dishes back, and cover with a plastic or aluminum wrap. Allow this to cool in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Then remove and add a layer of turbinado sugar. This will give us that delicious caramelized layer to break into. While you're doing this, set your oven broiler to high so that it preheats. Make sure there is a nice uniform layer of sugar on top. Then carefully, one at a time, put on the tray the custard dish about 2 inches from the broiler. Leave the door open and watch as the sugar bubbles and caramelizes. This can burn pretty quickly if you take your eyes off, so be sure to watch this as it happens. Remove once the top has reached a golden brown and has melted the sugar such that it forms a nice sheet on top. Repeat this process for all the creme brulees. We can then remove the dishes and let cool to room temperature before refrigerating for a final 30 minutes. Then we can remove and enjoy. And boom, we have a wonderfully easy to make creme brulee that tastes fantastic. The top is crunchy, the custard is rich and vanilla flavor, and oh my god, this is just an absolute joy to make. Stop wasting your money on overpriced fancy food when you can make it at home and taste just as good. Be sure to give this recipe a try as this is one of those essential dessert dishes you need to make at least once in your lifetime. One bite is not enough. Be sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.